Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. And in today's video we have the Chevrolet Equinox and we're going to do the headlight tint installation for this vehicle. So this is how the headlight looks before doing the installation, and this is how it looks after the installation. So the tint has PPA properties, which means it will protect the lenses from yellowing over time, as well as protect it from any small scratches or any road debris that may hit the lens. Link for the product will be provided below, but with that being said, let's get started with the installation video. These are the tools you need for the installation. So before starting with the installation, we need to make sure we prep both lenses of the headlight. So you're going to need two solutions. The first one is your slip solution, which contains baby shampoo mixed with distilled water. And then for our second solution, we're going to use alcohol or isopropyl alcohol mixed with distilled water. So slip solution first, and then microfiber towel to remove any contaminants. And now for the second pass, make sure you flip your microfiber towel around to a clean side. And instead of spraying it onto the lens, spray it onto the microfiber towel and help remove any remaining contaminants. And with this one, we need to make sure we have the hood open as well. So make sure you clean the inside of the lens. You don't need to have the whole entire hood open, but if you like, you can. It's just more so we can clean this top surface here. And you should be good. So once we finish prepping the lens, now we can start with the installation. We're starting with the lower section first, so just apply slip solution to the lens and to the adhesive side of the film. And with this one, we want to make sure we align it on the bottom section first. And you're going to have some extra material, you could say, that's not tacking down here. And this material, you just tack it down and wrap it around the edge here. So make sure you align it on the line. So it's on the edge here. Edge here. Lift the film carefully and apply tack solution underneath the film, and then on top, make sure everything stays aligned. Make sure the film isn't moving. Hold it in position, and with your squeegee, start tightening it down. Make sure to remove all the solution underneath the film, that way we don't have any bubbles after the installation. Make sure this side is secured. And now in order to remove these fingers that you see on this area here, we're going to need to lift the film, apply slip solution, that way we're able to stretch the film, place it back down, and stretch going upward like this. We're going to stretch from here upward, and once we stretch going upward up to the edge, these fingers will get smaller and we'll be able to tack them down. Put your hand here, stretch it, and if you notice, the fingers are starting to slowly disappear. Once you stretch it up to the edge, hold the film right on the edge, apply tack solution, grab your squeegee, and start tacking down the rest. And if you encounter these fingers here, that's perfectly fine. We could remove them afterwards, but first we just need to focus on tacking down this entire area. And it should look smooth like this now, and all we need to worry about is this side here. Since the film is not tacked down, you see the fingers lifting. So in order to tack this whole entire section down, we're going to bring as much as we can of the film to the edge, and then we're going to apply tack solution and a little bit of heat, that way it stays sealed on this area. So tack solution, and you can use a heat gun or a hair dryer and apply heat. Make sure you use the low setting when you're doing this section here. And once you finish applying heat, we can wrap our microfiber towel around your squeegee. That we were able to tack down, hold it for a couple seconds, and once we have it on the edge, what the microfiber towel will do is help remove any solution that's on the edge. So hold it 3 to 5 seconds, and it should look like this. Flat, no fingers, and we should be good. If you see that the film is lifting, let's say on the bottom edge here, just apply heat, bring your microfiber towel in, and hold it for a couple seconds. And once this is done, we can move on with this piece here. Okay, so for the top section of the headlight, same process, apply slip solution to the lens and slip solution to the adhesive side of the film. And all we need to do is just place the film here. And since this area is clean, because we cleaned it on the beginning, we should be fine. And with this one, we just need to align it on this edge here first. So in order to tack it down, Apply tack solution underneath and on top of the film. Grab your squeegee, hold it, and tack down. Make sure this stays secure, because if it moves, because if it's not secure, it's going to lift over time, and when we try to stretch the film is just going to shift that way. So we need to make sure everything is tacked down here. And something to help secure the film more faster is applying heat around this area here. So use the low setting on your hairdryer or heat gun and apply heat evenly around this area here. Let the film cool down for a couple seconds and then just apply a little bit of tack solution. And then with your squeegee, continue tacking it down. And now the film should be anchored around this area here. And now we just need to continue on fixing this section, stretching the film in order to remove these small fingers here. So you would need your slip solution. So lift the film carefully, apply slip solution underneath the film, place it back down, and all we're doing is stretching it towards this way until we reach to this edge here. So it's just a light stretch. And this is just to help remove these deep fingers that we had here. So once we stretch, you notice that the fingers are gone. Hold it in position, spray tack solution on top, grab your squeegee, and start tacking it down. Remove everything from the face of the headlight here. Remove all the solution. And the fingers continue to create on the top section here. The best thing to do is just apply heat. So here's your heat gun. Apply heat where those fingers are located. Let the film cool down just a little bit and wrap your microfiber towel around your squeegee. And the same steps as how we did on this section here for the bottom, you would do it for the top. Hold it for a couple seconds and it should stay tacked down. And you can always test if the film is tacked down by running your finger around the edge. If your finger's not catching it, you should be good. And that's pretty much it for this installation. And now we move on to the last step, which is post heating the lens. So once you finish with the entire installation for the headlight tint, the last thing to do is to post heat the entire film. So to post heat, just apply tack solution to the lens. And we're going to use our heat gun, and we're going to use the low setting. You can also use the hairdryer and use the low setting and apply heat evenly throughout the entire film. And as we're applying heat, we're going to use our microfiber towel to help tack down around the edges and also help remove any solution that's stuck trapped underneath the film. Make sure to apply it evenly. Use your microfiber towel just to help that heat still tack down better to the lens. And once we're done with this step, we're done with the installation. So that concludes the installation video for the headlight tints for the Chevrolet Equinox. We hope that the video helped you guys out with the installation. Don't forget to drop a like on the video. Make sure you subscribe and turn on that notification bell. That way you don't miss any of our upcoming installation videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one.